Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a super simple, easy monochromatic eye makeup look. This is for all the people who still want to look put together but don't want to spend a ton of time on their eyeshadow. So this one's for you. By the way, that's my puppy. He's crazy, but he's cute and I love him. Anyways, we're gonna just be jumping right into the eyes today. So basically I'm going to be using greens, but you can totally change this up and use any color that you want. So what you're gonna want to do is find the color that you want in a matte shade, and you're gonna want to place that all over the lid up into the crease. You're just going to want to pack that on so it is as pigmented as possible using a flat eyeshadow brush. And the shadow that I'm using is from Sugar Pill, but like I said, you can use any color. And I am just taking a blending brush and blending out the edges so they are nice and smooth and diffused looking, so it's not a harsh line. And then take a eyeliner in the same color that you're going to be using, because we're going to be using all the same color for this look. So I'm using this bright green eyeliner from ColourPop, but again, pick any eyeliner that matches your eyeshadow. And then I'm going to be taking the same matte green shade and I'm going to be popping that on the lower lash line, not bringing it out too far, but just smoking it out just enough. Then I'm just packing that on and kind of just blending that out. And then next, take a eyeshadow that is the same color but has a shimmery finish. So I'm taking this lime green shimmer shade from ColourPop, and we're just gonna pop that right onto the center of the lid. This is just gonna add a little bit of texture, shine, and dimension. And take that same shadow and pop it on the inner portion of the eye. So that is going to act as our inner corner highlight as well. And then you can just continue on to your eyeliner. I'm using this liquid liner from ColourPop, and I am going to be winging it out. You totally don't have to do that. I usually end up messing up my wings anyways. They definitely didn't match in this video, but you know, we just gotta deal with that. We just gotta move on from it. If you are new to doing winged liner, I would definitely recommend the felt tip liners. I feel like you have a lot more control over what you're doing as opposed to liquid liner that can get a little bit messy, so I definitely recommend it. I just added some mascara and some lashes. You can totally skip the lashes if you were doing a more simple look, but I just feel naked without lashes, so I have to do them. Anyways, moving on to the lips, just apply your favorite nude lipstick. Here I am just using a lip liner from Melt Cosmetics. I am just going to be outlining my lips, and then I'm going to be filling them in, and then I'm also going to be adding a gloss. Again, you don't have to do that if you are going for just a more simple look, but I am really into glosses lately. I wasn't for so many years, but now I am just not a matte person at all, especially in the winter when my lips are feeling nice and crusty. Anyways, for the last step, I'm just slapping on some highlighter. This is from Ofra, and I'm just putting that on all the high points of my face. I went a little overboard with this, but you know, that's just how it goes some days. But looking back on this, I wouldn't have added as much, but you know, that's just how it be sometimes. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this look, let me know what color you used. I would love to know. And if there's any other basic makeup tutorials or looks for beginners that you would like to see, please let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yoshi says thank you too, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!